Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Today I have come here to the Girja. As you can see, this is Girja. First time I have come here, but this is not open. This is closed now. And if I talk about this Girja is located at Kalighat, very close to Kalighat. As you can see, there is uh, inside of behind that colorful building in the distance, in the bridge there is, you can see, that is Kalighat temple, but that is not real, that is actually artificial. But inside, behind of this bridge, from here it will take for 2 minutes to go Kalighat Mandir, where there is lighting. That is also Kalighat Mandir, Kalighat temple, but that is not original. Behind that there is Kalighat temple, and this is the main road. This is the road from, this road is coming from Dharamtola to Toliganj. This road is going for Toliganj, and I stopped here that to see that Girja. First time I have come here to see Girja. As you can see how beautiful this one, and there is something written down, but I don't know what is there. There is something is written down, but I don't know what is the English pronunciation of this one. I don't know what language it has written down. I don't know. There is O E O B E U O M O T O I something. There is lot of alphabet is there, but I don't know what is the meaning of this line actually. So if you know, then comment on the comment box. So this place is looking very calm. As you can see how beautiful this one. And behind this Girja there is so many trees. As you can see, this side trees, and also there is a little temple, and also this side some trees are there. Yeah, really this place is feeling very much calm, and there is also something written down. I don't know what is there, but something is there. This is the thing, and I stopped here to spend some time. And you can see the color of this Girja. It is yellow. Yeah, looking very nice. And there is a very big gate actually, sorry. As you can see, there is a very big gate, that is maybe 10 foot. And front of the Girja there is main road. This is the main road. So I thought I can make a video. And today's weather, maybe it will be rain sometime after. It is cloudy day today, just see. So that's all guys for today's video. I was thinking that today I will go somewhere to visit, so that's why today I have come out to see Girja. So that's all for today's video. Tada, bye bye.